Most people get this wrong when managing business expenses. They think tracking expenses is just about saving receipts or logging numbers at the end of the month. But here's the truth no one tells you. If your expense tracking is delayed, manual, or inconsistent, your business is already losing money without you noticing it. And in the next few minutes, you'll understand exactly which expense management tools actually work in 2026, how they save time, how they prevent financial mistakes, and how to choose the right one even if you've never used accounting software before. Let's start immediately. Every business, whether it's a freelancer like Alex designing logos, a small cafe owner like Maria, or a startup founder like Jake, has one thing in common. Money goes out every single day. Office supplies, software subscriptions, ads, salaries, travel costs. And if you are not tracking those properly, your profit numbers become guesswork. Now here's where most people fail. They rely on memory or spreadsheets. At first it feels fine. Then receipts pile up. Transactions get messy. Tax season becomes stressful. And suddenly, you realize you have no clear idea where your money went. But here's where it gets interesting. Modern expense management software is not just about recording expenses. It automates everything. It scans receipts, categorizes spending, connects to your bank, and even helps you control budgets in real time. So let's go through the 7 best tools you can use in 2026, starting with the most powerful ones. First up is Expensify. Expensify is one of the most popular expense tracking tools in the world. It is designed for automation and simplicity. The biggest feature is Smart Scan. You take a photo of a receipt, and Expensify automatically reads it, extracts the amount, date, and category, and logs it for you. But here's the problem. Expensify can feel expensive for small businesses if you need advanced features or multiple users. Now here's where it gets interesting. Expensify is extremely powerful for businesses with employees who travel often. For example, imagine John, a sales manager, traveling across cities. He just takes pictures of receipts, and everything is automatically added to his expense report. No paperwork. No manual entry. Next is Zoho Expense. Zoho Expense is part of the larger Zoho ecosystem, and it is one of the most complete expense management tools for small and medium businesses. It allows you to track receipts, manage travel expenses, approve reports, and integrate directly with accounting systems. But here's the catch. If you are not already using Zoho products, the ecosystem advantage may not feel as strong at first. Now here's where it gets interesting. Zoho Expense is extremely affordable compared to competitors, and it offers automation features like AutoScan and mileage tracking. For example, a small marketing agency like the one run by Sarah uses Zoho Expense to track aid spending, client travel, and software subscriptions all in one dashboard. That means no more guessing at month-end reports. Next is QuickBooks Online Expenses. If you are already using QuickBooks for accounting, this is a natural extension. QuickBooks allows you to connect your bank accounts, import transactions automatically, and categorize expenses in real time. But here's the problem. QuickBooks can feel overwhelming for beginners because it combines accounting and expense management in one system. Now here's where it gets interesting. The integration is extremely powerful. When you record an expense, it instantly updates your financial reports, profit and loss statements, and tax summaries. For example, Jake runs a small online store. Every ad spend, shipping cost, and software subscription is automatically tracked in QuickBooks. At the end of the month, he already knows his profit without doing manual calculations. Next up is Raido. Raido is a modern expense management tool built for businesses that want fast approvals and global expense tracking. It is especially popular in companies with employees across different countries. But here's the problem. Raido is more focused on business teams than individual freelancers, so it might be too advanced for solo users. Now here's where it gets interesting. Raido allows real-time expense approvals. So when an employee submits an expense, managers can approve or reject it instantly from their phone. For example, a consulting firm with employees traveling across Europe uses Raido to manage hotel bills, transportation, and client dinners without paperwork delays. Next is SAP Concur. SAP Concur is one of the most powerful enterprise-level expense management systems. It is designed for large companies with complex expense structures. But here's the catch. It is not beginner-friendly and can be expensive for small businesses. Now, here's where it gets interesting. SAP Concur integrates travel booking, expense tracking, and invoicing in one system. That means flights, hotels, and meals are automatically recorded as expenses. For example, a global company like a tech consulting firm uses SAP Concur to manage thousands of employee expenses across multiple countries without manual reconciliation. Next is Wave Expenses. Wave is known for offering free accounting tools, and its expense tracking feature is also free. This makes it very attractive for freelancers and small businesses just starting out. But here's the problem. Wave lacks advanced automation and reporting features compared to paid tools. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even though it is free, Wave allows you to scan receipts, track spending, and categorize expenses easily. For example, Emma, a part-time tutor, uses Wave to track her monthly expenses like internet bills and teaching materials. She doesn't need complex features, so Wave is enough. Finally, we have FreshBooks Expenses. FreshBooks is mainly known for invoicing, but its expense tracking features are very strong for service-based businesses. You can upload receipts, track billable expenses, and even assign costs to specific clients. But here's the catch. FreshBooks is not ideal for inventory-heavy businesses. Now here's where it gets interesting. If you are a freelancer or consultant, FreshBooks helps you turn expenses into billable items. That means you can actually charge clients for expenses directly. For example, a freelance designer named Alex buys stock photos for a client project. With FreshBooks, he can mark that expense and include it in the client invoice automatically. Now that you've seen all 7 tools, let's simplify everything so you can actually decide. If you want maximum automation and smart scanning, Expensify is a strong choice. If you want affordability and ecosystem integration, Zoho Expense is excellent. If you already use accounting software and want full integration, QuickBooks is the most powerful option. If you want fast approvals and team collaboration, Raido is ideal. If you are running a large enterprise, SAP Concur is the industry standard. If you want a free and simple tool, Wave is enough. And if you are a freelancer who wants to track billable expenses easily, FreshBooks is a perfect fit. But here's the most important insight. The best expense tool is not the one with the most features. It is the one that your team actually uses every day. Because even the most advanced software becomes useless if expenses are not recorded consistently. So here's what you should do next. Think about your business size, how many people will use the system, and how automated you want your workflow to be. Then choose the tool that matches your real daily operations, not just your wish list. To wrap it all up, expense management software is not just about tracking money. It is about controlling it. It helps you reduce waste, improve financial clarity, and make smarter business decisions without guessing. If this guide helped you understand expense tools better, like this video, share your business type in the comments, and subscribe for more clear and practical business software breakdowns.